Welcome back to another episode. Today in this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to redeem reward points on your Standard Chartered credit card. So in order to redeem reward points on your Standard Chartered credit card, there are different ways of doing it. So you could follow the steps. So the article that they've listed out, it says that how to redeem Standard Chartered credit card reward points. So first thing you could do with the bonus point reward programs. So you could earn bonus point by using your eligible credit cards to make purchases at bonus point and partner outlets. In order to redeem the Standard Chartered bonus point reward, you can visit the bank's website and choose the reward from the reward catalog and purchases the same with your accumulated bonus point. Likewise, if you want to go with the 360-degree reward program, under this program, there are two methods by which you can redeem the reward points available on the credit, that is online, phone banking, cash offers. So likewise, you could go and read about these articles and see how you could redeem it. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.